So I promised my mom a video of unpacking an Imperfect Foods box. So here we are. It's my first time trying it. My sister recommended it to me. So here we go. Here's the box. It's like way bigger than I thought it was gonna be, but that's fine. All right, so I'm gonna just open it up to start. Okay. I was really excited because I wanted to be eco-friendly kind of, and also I feel like it's kind of good, I don't have to go to the grocery store and get distracted by all these other things. Ooh, it's a disaster in here. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna get a towel. I'm washing this week anyway, so it's okay if it gets a little juicy. Okay, so this is a brown paper. It looks like the blackberries are all smushed, which is very depressing, but I'll still eat them. This big heavy bag. Some smoked salmon, a little smaller than I thought. This bratwurst. Oh, the heavy ice pack, which probably caused everything to break or bruise. I'm gonna put that in the freezer. A Parmigiano Romano cheese. And some hummus. I'm very excited to try. Okay, what do I do with this big thing now? I'm gonna recycle it, but it's sticky. I got 2 little tomatoes. I got some nectarines, I think. Oh, they're all sticky. Here's the nectarine. Oh. Oh no. The rice noodles, which were open from the bottom. Ugh. Okay. And also have blackberries on them now, so. Beef bites. I'll try them and let y'all know. They look kind of like dog treats. It says meat, stick ends, and pieces. Cool. My favorite part so far, chocolate covered nuts. I'm a chocolate fiend, as you know. And then I got some pears. There's 3 of each fruit. And there's also more tomatoes here. So that's my box. I'm pretty excited to try everything. I'm a little bit disappointed just because everything looks kind of exploded. That tells me don't get blackberries anymore. But the other, it looks good. So the point is to send you ugly fruits and leftovers, but these fruits look pretty good to me. It looks pretty good. So I'm not sure what they're talking about. I'm spending the same exact amount that I would be spending at the grocery store. Actually, probably less because of, not buying random stuff that I see, and definitely from not buying ramen noodles, but yeah. So this is everything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.